Want to make six figures online? YouTube is one of the best ways to do it, but not all niches are created equal. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 YouTube niches that can earn $100,000 or more per year and how they do it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more content on building a successful online business. First up, we have the tech and gadget review niche. Channels like Marcus Brownlee, MKBHD, and Linus Tech Tips make millions reviewing smartphones, laptops, and the latest gadgets. How they make money, ad revenue, tech videos get high CPM, cost per 1,000 views. Affiliate marketing, earn commissions from Amazon or Best Buy links. Sponsorships, brands pay for product reviews. If you love tech and gadgets, this is a great niche to get into. Next, we have the personal finance niche, one of the highest paying on YouTube. Examples: Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin, Andre Geek. How they make money, ad revenue. Finance videos have some of the highest CPMs. Affiliate marketing, promoting investing platforms like Webull and Robinhood. Sponsorships and course sales. Many create their own online courses. If you're good with money and investing, this is a great way to cash in. Coming in at number 3 is gaming. Huge YouTubers like Markiplier and Jacksepticeye make millions streaming and reviewing games. How they make money, YouTube ads. Gaming content gets tons of views. Sponsorships. Game developers pay for reviews. Memberships and super chats. If you love gaming, why not turn your passion into profit? At 4, we have business and entrepreneurship. Think Alex Hormozi, Ali Abdaal, and Vanessa Lau. How they make money, ad revenue. Business content gets high CPM. Sponsorships. Companies love to partner with business channels. Course sales and consulting. Many sell digital courses or coaching. If you're good at making money, why not teach others and get paid for it? And finally, at number 5, we have the educational niche. Think coding, productivity, and self-improvement. How they make money, ad revenue. Educational content is evergreen. Affiliate marketing, recommending books, software, or tools. Online courses. Many create premium courses. Examples: Free Code Camp, Matt Davella, Ali Abdaal. If you enjoy teaching others, this is a great way to earn big. So there you have it. 5 YouTube niches that can make you 6 figures or more per year. Which one would you start? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more tips on growing an online business, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.